Apple releases security updates to address zero-day vulnerability in iOS, macOS, and more. Apple has rolled out new security updates for iOS, iPad, macOS, Vision, and Safari to tackle the two zero-day vulnerabilities. CVE 2024-44308. It's a JavaScript core flaw that allows malicious web content to execute arbitrary code. And CVE 2024-44309. A WebKit cookie is a management bug that permits cross-site scripting to be able to attack with malicious content. This problem was reportedly discovered by researchers from Google's Threat Analysis Group, who believed that they'd been targeted through spyware attacks, particularly those affecting Intel-based Mac systems. Apple updates are available for various devices such as iPhones, iPads, Macs, and the Apple Vision Pro. The total flaws were for 4 0 days this year. There's no certain information about the nature of these exploitations. However, Apple has addressed these problems and requests users to update their devices for the prevention of any kind of security risk.